everyone, today we are going to make a rocket. And we need all these things: a paper, a paintbrush, a pencil box, some colors, a Fevicol, a scissor, and any empty bottle. If you don't have a bottle, take a tissue roll.
Using any circular plate, you can आराम से make a circle. And with this circle, we will make the dome or the upper part of the rocket. Make a dot using a pencil in the center of the paper circle. Then we will cut out the radius using the scissor and we'll turn it into a cone. This will be the top part of the rocket. We will fix the cone using Fevicol and then we'll stick this fixed cone over the top using glue gun or a Fevicol. As our cone and the bottles are ready, they are stick together, it's time to paint the bottle into our favorite color. You can choose whatever your child loves. Mahi wanted to paint the rocket using the white color, so we started with the white, and once the color dries or once the bottle is completely dry, we can move on to the next step. Please choose the color of your kids' choice and involve them in this activity. If you like the video, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. By this time even I was excited seeing the result. It was looking very nice and elegant and Mahi was very excited. It's really fun doing these kind of activities when kids are trapped inside the house. So do definitely try this out. And the next one is to make the bottom part of the rocket. It means we are going to make the tails of the rocket. Choose any paper, or if you have any hard sheets you can go for that also, and we need to stick these tails to the tail of the bottle. I was very excited, even though I have a mum seeing this, and I know Mahi was really excited, but he gave me some insight regarding this, how we can decorate it, and I'm going to show you that in the final reveal. So let's wait for the final one.
My rocket is done and I'm excited. These are some clouds. This is rocket. These are some windows and this is my name. And these are the tails.
Ta-da, 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 ta-da.